Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Coinbase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go dark mode on Coinbase. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open your Coinbase account. On the home page, tap your profile icon and tap Appearance. Here, tap Dark. This will convert Coinbase to dark mode. If your device is already on dark mode, you can also tap Device Settings. This option will set the Coinbase account to your device's settings. If your device is on light mode, the Coinbase account will also turn to light mode. And that's how you go dark mode on Coinbase. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.